If you want to change the accent in ElevenLabs, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. Whether you're creating voiceovers, experimenting with different regional accents, or simply looking for the perfect voice style for your content, this method makes it very easy to find and save the voice you want. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple ElevenLabs tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open ElevenLabs and look at the left-hand menu. Click on Voices. This is where you can browse and manage the voices available in your account. Once you're in the Voices section, click on the Explore tab. The Explore tab opens up the voice library, where you can discover a wide range of voice options. Now, to narrow things down, select the language you want first. This helps you find voices that match the type of content you're creating. After that, click the accent filter. Here, you can choose the accent you want. Whether that's a specific regional style or a different English variation, this is the key step that helps you change the accent and find a voice that sounds right for your project. Once you've found a voice you like, click Add to My Voices on that voice card. This saves it to your account so you can access it again later without having to search for it all over again. That means the voice will be available every time you come back for future generations, which makes your workflow much faster and easier, and that's it. You've now learned how to change accent in ElevenLabs by browsing voices, filtering by language and accent, and saving the voice to your collection. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.